Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys are doing extremely fine and coping up with the COVID scenario. I know I have been super inactive the last 2 weeks, but I wasn't well for 1 week, and the other week I was caught up in a lot of other things, so I didn't get time to shoot. But for today's video I have something really exciting. Tomorrow I'm going on a trip. Today is 15th of December. It's around 11 o'clock, and this trip was literally planned last night, that is 14th of December, almost midnight. So today morning, you can say, at around 1:30 a.m. Lately a lot of people have been traveling to Maldives and Goa and Dubai, but this is not somewhere where I'm going. So I have chosen a bit of offbeat place with less number of crowd and people, and that is something that I really wanted to. We have just arrived here at Chandigarh, and it's around 13 degrees Celsius, and it's very cold, it's very chilly, especially the ones who are coming from city like Mumbai, which is a complete tropical climate. So yeah, and right now the plan is to explore a bit of Chandigarh, and there is a mall nearby, so we'll be exploring a bit of places here and there before, and then we'll be going to the mall. It's just me and mom. I have been to Chandigarh like a few years back, but I was really small, and I still remember we had been to Rock Garden, but we are not going there this time. So my mom wants to shop a bit of dresses and salwar suits and things like that, so we'll be going to some local market. I don't know, we need to find that out. Tomorrow morning we'll be leaving for Shimla. I'm all ready to leave, and I have a cute little backpack for all my essentials. Right now we have come to the which market? 17 market. We are finding some food actually, because we haven't eaten anything since morning. Finally we found a pure veg place. It's called the Sindhi Sweets, right? And we have just ordered our chole bhature, and I'm so excited to eat it. First we went to the market where we had some food, and after that we went to the lake. We saw sunset over there. The lake was very okay. It wasn't anything great, but just to roam around, and there are only 2-3 places here to go in Chandigarh, so lake was one of them, so we went there. So today we are gonna leave for Shimla. It's around 6:30 a.m. in the morning. It's really cold and chilly, and it's still so dark and foggy outside, but I am really excited, looking forward. We are leaving early so that we reach there early and can spend a lot more time in Shimla. I have somehow managed to find my orange juice here as well, so I'll be starting my day with this only. I think having liquids before traveling is the best thing, because it's so light and there are no repercussions of it, and it goes really well. Your journey goes smooth. That's what I feel. It's very subjective though. We have started our road trip to Shimla. It's around 3 hours 38 minutes remaining. When I started it was showing me 4 hours 30 minutes, and we have almost covered 1 hour. The roads are really so beautiful and so scenic. So all this while it was just a city road, but now I think the hills are gonna start really soon. This place is just so beautiful, and it's all snow covered, and I'm just waiting that it snows in the next 2 days as well, so that I get to witness the snowfall. After 5 hours we have finally reached our last destination, and that's our hotel. So currently we are staying at Taj Theong. Theong is a place that is around 1 hour away from Shimla. It is so nice and peaceful over here, and with such a less crowd. It's just a small village, and over there on the hill there is this property of Taj, and I'm absolutely loving it. The view from here is stunning. That's the washroom. Here are some closets. Hi, Mama. And here is my favorite part, and that's the balcony. The view from this is so gorgeous. If you see here, this is some fresh snow which just happened last week. And over there also you can see some mountain ranges that is topped by snow. I just love the view from this room. Right now we are leaving for Narkanda. It's another place which is 1 hour from here, and mostly we'll get to see a lot of snow there. And yeah, it's just something like Shimla, a little village, a little town. So let's see. Wow, this is so beautiful. We have reached Narkanda, and you can see there is so much of snow. We are heading back to the hotel after Narkanda. There was a lot of snow, but we couldn't reach the last level. Like, there was some kind of temple, but the road was very risky, so we opted out and didn't go there because the car isn't that equipped. So we got down and then we just clicked some random pictures here and there, and now we are stopping at a small little dhaba and gonna have Maggie and some parathas. That's called cafe with a view. You see the view, it's just stunning. It's just 5:30 right now and it's getting darker already. We were told that by 5 the sun sets, and that is true, it just happened. And I think we'll be heading back to our hotel right now, and that's it for the day. It's 0 degree right now and I'm freezing, and I think I'm gonna sleep with my fur jacket on only. Today is day 2 in Shimla. We are planning to go to Mall Road, which is one of the most famous and touristy thing to do when somebody comes to Shimla. It is around 1.5 hours from the place where we are staying. All set, and this is what I'm wearing. Love these boots. Wearing winter clothes feels so much better. In Mumbai we don't get a chance to wear all of these things at all, so I'm trying to dress up as much as I can. So we are now at Mall Road. Is it Mall Road or Mall Road? Mall Road. Okay, so we are right now here at Mall Road, and there isn't really anything to do. It's just shopping, and if you want to shop anything then it's a good place, but nothing really to look at. And we are having fries right now. How is it?
Good.
You like Mall Road?
Yes.
You like?
It's okay. It's very shant nowadays because of Corona. Curfew.
It's my last morning here in Shimla, and now we are heading back to Chandigarh. It was so much fun. It was a much needed vacation. It was my mom's first trip after the coronavirus pandemic. So mom, how are you feeling?
Yeah, when we checked in at Mumbai airport, it was scary with Setu app and the mask and it was tedious. But when we landed to Chandigarh, the winter amazing, and the weather in Shimla is too good.
Yeah, and I always love traveling with my mom no matter what. I still remember the first trip we went to after my 10th standard was in the US, and just the both of us went. I think after that, this is the first trip we are coming. Just the both of us.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I always love traveling with my mom. She has always been my travel buddy. It's 2021 in like 10 days, and I hope that the new year brings in a lot of different things, a lot of joy and happiness in everyone's life, and things get back to normal. So I'll be ending the last part of my vlog right here, because after this we are just heading back to Chandigarh, and it's almost going to be the same thing because we have decided to stay in the same hotel. So tomorrow we are flying back to Mumbai early in the morning. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, you know the drill. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Also, lots of love and see you next time.